egg pie. We put it in a wrap for 1 hour. What? Tinapay. Ito, kulang sa tinapay. We're here again for another baking series. So today we made egg pie. So we'll try it now. Oh. Nice! Looks nice. Ito palang medyo makapal pala yung aking tinapay sa ilalim. See? Medyo makapal yung bread ng aking egg pie. Actually got another one here. This one, sobrang wala namang bread sa ilalim. I'm going to try the sobra first. Hindi ko siya nahiwa ng maayos. Let's try this one. May kulang sa lasa ng egg pie. Parang okay naman siya. Parang masyadong glassy. Anong kulang? Anong mali? Pero masarap siya. Parang may kulang nga lang para sabihin mo siyang egg pie. Don't know anong kulang. But that's it for our baking. Need more practice sa egg pie. Feeling ko may kulang sa lasa ng egg pie. Hindi siya ganun kalasang egg pie. Yung texture niya parang leche flan. I'll have to think about it. Kung anong kulang. Okay? So that's it. Bye-bye!